part of the DNA of Oak Hill Country Club to host championships. We're in Rochester, New York, 36-hole golf course facility. We are going to host the 2023 PGA Championship next May, and we're super excited about that. We've hosted every major men's rotating championship. If you want to circle all the way back to like 2014, 2015, we started the planning process of renovating the East Course. We hired Andrew Green to be our golf course architect of record, and we started to pursue doing a golf course renovation. And as we got closer to 2019, the scope started to grow a little bit, and we essentially changed 3 golf holes and put it more back into the down Ross routing. We rebuilt all of our greens, we built the majority of our tees, did a lot of different regrassing, all of our bunkers were redone. So that was the lion's share of work, and so even this year we were working with LeBar Construction, and we did some Lomo areas around a number of different holes. So there's been a lot of work that has been building up to that 2023 PGA Championship. We have a ton of different maintenance practices. We have a staff of right around 60 to 65 employees that are here. Obviously our morning routine is all the preparation for our membership, whether it's raking bunkers, mowing greens, mowing tees, surfaces in general, top dressing, pesticide applications, fly mowing, bunker banks. We have a myriad of different tasks, and every day is a little bit different. That's kind of what makes it exciting to be here. I think next year will be my 20th season at Oak Hill Country Club. So there are definitely days where I'm driving around and I take it for granted. But then every once in a while you get those days and where everything's kind of going right and everything looks good, where you're kind of like, wow, I got a pretty cool job. I got a really good job at a great facility. And I think next year that'll really kind of take hold. As we start our build out for the championship, see the excitement in my staff, then it'll really kind of be like, oh wow, okay, we're gonna do this all over again. So, and it's usually a pretty cool moment when that hits.